No, any mention?
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, the item number 37. In this case, my landed parent has said the CD not received.
My lord, CD not received, my lord. Here I will also send for my lord report, my lord. He pays for another date, my lord.
Yeah, item number
Item
37.
37.
Are you on interim there?
No.
No, you're not on interim. When you can.
Jaluk Balaja.
Jaluk Bari, my lord. Next.
Okay.
31st, my lord.
31st of July.
My lord.
Issue reminder. CD not receive. Issue reminder 31st of July. Okay.
May please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
16.
16, my lord. There are some development. I'm still seeking some instructions, my lord. I heard that there is some compromise. I
Oh,
need
it
some
is-
time, my lord.
It is only for 16.
16.
It is also for mediation, my lord. Mediation.
Some,
First,
compromises
we have
there.
to send it for mediation, in fact. Because we have to send some data to the Honorable Supreme Court. If there is any talk of compromises going on between the parties, it's very good.
I heard that some compromise is going on, my lord.
Okay, then.
And there may be some agreement also. That's why I'm taking some time to produce if there is any such agreement.
No. Time in a sense, you have to produce all these documents before the mediation center. So parties will be instructed to appear before the mediation. And on a date will be fixed on their date, and then you may approach, not approach, you can, the parties can appear before the mediation center, and mediator will be accordingly appointed.
Well,
And if it is any, there is any sign, talk of compromise is going, it's a very good sign. Okay then. Okay, we'll pass the item number 16 to corruption. So otherwise, only PP is there, or any other private respondent?
But also there, I take steps, my lord, in long back, my lord. But no one appeared, my lord. I take a step on 17/11/2023 for register post.
17/11/23.
It is shown in the online also, my lord. I take a step on 17/11, my lord. Long back, I have taken a step.
So at this stage, can you inform the other side if there is any talk of compromises
We can
going?
inform because the TV case is pending, my lord. In that case, my lord.
TV is pending.
Pending, my lord. Her private respondent's advocate is appearing, my lord. For him, we can.
Let us have a try. Then.
Fine.
And heard Mr. M.A.I. Hussain, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Hussain that there is possibility of compromise between the parties, and talk of compromise is already going on between the parties. However, the private respondent is not appearing in this case too. He had taken steps long back in the year 2023. But Mr. Hussain submitted further that the counsel for the respondent is appearing in the DV case, which is pending before which court? This one?
This pending before. Family court, man. It's not divorce, man. 125. Yes,
125, not DV, not DV is
not
DV is
maintenance.
125 CRPC is pending before the family court. Principal Judge Family Court, Kamrup? Kamrup. Next point, in view of this, both the parties are hereby directed to appear before the medicine center or medicine center on Kimon video. 31st. Okay. Before 30. On or before? On or before. On or before 31/7/2025. And they will take necessary steps. This legal service and the legal services authority, state legal services authority will take necessary steps in this regard in appointing the mediator, concerned mediator. This is the matter you want to fix a date here? can be. No. 31st of August dot here no appear করবো দিছো. Here you do you want to fix any date?
After that.
Means no, sorry, we have to report past the report on 4th. 4th will be very short date maybe. Later be on 4th then, okay then. 4th, okay, 4th of August. Place the matter accordingly on the 4th of August. Okay.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 15, my lord, that matter become infructuous because both the husband and wife get divorce, your honor. The mutual divorce already granted to them.
So there's no possibility.
No. And for the
Now,
petition-
this division was for
For
what?
interim maintenance, against interim maintenance order, petitioner has filed this petition, husband has filed this petition, your lordship. So I will to withdraw the case, your lordship.
So you were for the petitioner.
Yes,
According to Resolution 15, item number 15.
one.
Otherwise, this is for 125. You're Mr. S. Das?
Yes.
Part Mr. S. Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned appeals on fall for the respondent. However, it is submitted by Mr. Das that the present revision petition was filed against the order passed by the learned Principal Judge, Family Court number 3, Kamrup M, in FC Criminal Case number 482 of 2022, directing the present petitioner to pay rupees 5,000 per month to the respondent as interim maintenance. This is till disposal of the case. But during dependency of the present case, both the petitioner and the respondent, it was a divorce case
Mutual
was pending, mutual
Mutual
divorce, obtained the
divorce.
mutual divorce from the family court itself, and hence the present petitioner has already become infructuous. And accordingly, Mr. Das submitted that as per instructions of his client, he wants to withdraw the same. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and the present situation of the case, same is disposed of in withdrawal. Okay.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item 6, the motion, my lord. My lord, I want to do, my lord, they will file in trial court now.
Item number 6.
6 now.
Item number 6, filed Mr. Anuddin, the learned counsel for the petitioner, as by instructions of his client, he wants to, the instruction of his client, he wants to withdraw the same. They are allowed. It is disposed of accordingly in withdrawal. Okay.
My lord, I have a more prayer, my lord, that a bail petition is pending, my lord, and it was listed on 27/6. But unfortunately, that day, my lord, the matter was not raised, my lord, leftover matter. Date also not fixed. So some
In a
urgency
special matter or what? Special case?
No, my lord. It is my lord, more than 10 years conviction, my lord. Not special.
More than 7.
More than 7 years, my lord. I think this bench will. Will take.
Equal 7 up to 7 has any asylum.
Not special act is here, my lord. IPC. BNS, my lord.
Notification to go.
Less than 7 or equal 7.
Less than 7 or equal 7, you approach before either before registry or the special batch. Be better to approach registry.
May I please, Lordship? Item number 33, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, there is a cross FIR, Lordship. The FIR file against me, scan copies has already been received, Lordship. So my prayer is that, Lordship, cross FIR charge sheet maybe, that scan copies may be called for. Both are charge sheeted case, Lordship.
It was in the hearing column, I think.
Hearing column, Lordship.
We have received here the scan copy.
Scan copies, Lordship,
This year.
the FIR file against me, Lordship. Their scan copies, not the cross FIR. I have filed an FIR against the this.
So
informed-
whether you made this such kind of prayer before earlier,
Earlier I did not mention.
then let your matter be reached then.
But it may not be reached also 33
May not
items.
reach also.
Then it will be left over. And Lordship, it is very essential for Lordship peruse that scan copies file wide because
33
two FIRs is
36.
326.
Heard Mr. A. Sharma, the learned counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted by Mr. Sharma that inadvertently he did not make any prayer for calling the copy of FIR. If I,
No,
it-
not
it-
scan
that-
copies.
These are that is also charge sheeted already.
Charge sheeted.
They did not make a mention for mere prayer for prayer to call for the scanned copy of the TCR of case
PS
number.
case 86 of 24.
TCR of PS
Samugri
case
PS.
number. PS case number 86.
86.
86 of 2022.
24.
which is
24.
the
24 Lord.
24.
Yes,
uh,
Samugri PS Lord.
Samuguri PS
Yes.
case number 86.
86 of 24.
24.
Oh.
The comma, the FIR which was filed by the present petition.
Yes. Any date Lord.
Call for the court, this record accordingly. Registry will do the needful. You want date?
Lord, I want a date Lord.
Date from the call pay, the call.
Any short date Lord.
Short date, we don't have.
7th of August.
7th of August. 7th.
Item number 43, and for the respondent, Lordship.
43.
Yes, Lordship. I have due consent from other side, Lordship. Matter may adjourn, Lordship, till after 7th of August, Lordship.
7th of August. Otherwise, you are for the respondent, legal aid counsel,
I have taken consent from others.
at the request, with the consent, with the consent of the other side, the learned legal aid counsel, MS RB Bora, for the respondent, paid for an adjournment. List the matter after 7th of August.
So he requested me to
Acha,
the 7th.
7th of August, okay, sir. 14th, 1/4 can be. Okay.
May I please? My lord, I beg that to mention item number 21, my lord. Kindly pass over for the day, my lord. My lord, today that conducting advocate is out of station, my lord.
21. Yes, what is the position of 21? Is there any?
The scan copy of the trial court record was called for, madam.
It's
Is it-
not 21, na?
21.
21.
As per the cause list, it's not received.
It
whether-
has also not shown.
Record has
I think,
received,
nah,
record has received, my lord.
you have seen?
Trial
Yes.
record.
Okay, yeah,
Yes.
here we have not mentioned
Yes,
it.
yes.
Fine, the
Yes.
cause list also it has.
Already received, in fact.
Yes,
So you want adjournment today? Conducting counsel is not favorable.
Lord.
Considering the submission made by the learned counsel, Mr.
M. Hussain.
M.
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain. Matter is adjourned today. However, the registry has already received the scanned copy of the TCR. দিয়ক পিছৰ ফালে আগফালে নাই এইবিলাক আজিকালি ডেটত নহয় অকমান পিছুৱাই দিয়ক
First week of August.
Huh?
First week of August.
First week of August will go 6th of August.
Most of the.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention bail application number 1828. The matter was listed before the vacation, but the day when it was listed, the matter did not reach. Can the matter be taken up tomorrow or day after?
What is this? Is a special matter, special case? What is it? What is it?
Bail application.
No, bail application. What is it? Special case, special matter, sections.
Section number, Lordship, I don't
If we get it, you rest assured, then only it will be listed. You'd or better you can approach the registry also.
request.
Make a mention, yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention another matter, bail application number 1701. On the last occasion, it was ordered that to be listed on or before 14th July. So today is 15th July. Can the matter be taken up on 16 or 17?
Same here, same. I'm just will be questioning whether it is a special matter. You just want to have to tell me. If you know that position, it's all right. Otherwise, you can make a approach before the registry so that it can be listed. Okay.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 41, Lordship.
41. Yes.
Yes. Submitted, my lord.
Charge is already submitted. Okay.
Where before the trial.
Yes, sure.
No,
You
no,
are
in-
MS P.
P.
Kalita.
Kalita,
P. Kalita. Same order likhi debo, hard MS P.
In
Kalita.
time, Lordship, kindly till my appearance for some.
At this stage, it cannot be. P. Kalita koi debo, baki interim of question nai. Only directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application.
I charge sheet number 378 of
Case number
378 of 2025,
378 of 2025.
dated
Dated
28/6.
28/6/2025. We approach the learned trial court below. What will be happen? Oh, matter is disposed.
May I please, the lordship? My lord, I beg to mention, my lord, item number 7. Lord, what has happened, my lord, in this case, we have filed without any FIR, my lord, but the police is searching from the Lahorighat police station. So my lordship was pleased to call for a report from the concerned police station. My respected friend has informed me, my lord, that till date, no instruction has been furnished yet. So my lord, a short
We
date.
have not received.
Not received, my lord. Sorted, I prefer.
Take a make some communication
My lord,
telephonically also.
communication also done today also. My friend. From our office.
What they said at the
No,
police
not,
station?
not police station, my lord. It was not
Lahorighat
Lahorighat PS, my
No,
lord.
no, Lahorighat PS.
The
They
information
OC.
not received at yet. I prefer short that, my lord.
When it can be listed, then you just tell us.
Right.
Coming Friday.
Friday, my lord.
Oh, Friday, Thursday again, same issue will be there. Yes, either Monday or Tuesday. Tuesday, next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, ki month hai?
5th.
22. 22nd.
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 22nd. List on 22nd July. Yeah? To make communication with the other side.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 11, lordship. Matter will be adjourned for the jail, lordship.
Yes, government advocate was there. Was anyone you have informed? Anyone?
No, lordship.
Kunba aseni government advocate nine. Public at the request made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, may I pray for listing of a bail petition on Friday?
What kind of bill?
Lordship, it's under section 69 and 89 of BNS.
What is 69, 89? 69 কিমান লগে যায় punishment? What is the penalty of the 69, 89?
Above 7 years, Lordship. Above 7 years.
Below or above আছে না? Below or equal?
Below or equal.
You make a mention before registry only.
That's true.
Oh, yes.
But in the rooster, Lordship, it has been indicated punishment above 7 years.
Punishment or below.
কি above or below কোনটো কৈছে আপুনি?
না, হেৰি আছে।
Equal.
Less or equal.
Less or equal, not above.
Second point.
Okay, you make a mistake. Next, yes, mention.
I beg to mention item number 26, Lordship, CD not received.
20?
26. Kindly fix this matter, 25th.
26 CD not received?
Not received.
It is charge sheeted? Oh no, not
No.
charge sheeted.
Kindly fix this
Since
matter,
when you are in custody?
26.
Since
Today.
when you are in custody?
19 June.
Until
Today, 26 days.
not 25th. Later.
Lordship, 25th, same FIR fixed for 25th.
Huh?
Same FIR, Lordship.
Same FIR?
Fixed on
Same
25th.
matter, Paris and Marvel.
What is the other matter? Tell us. BA number
2033.
2033. 2033. No? Of 2025.
25.
CD not received. Let the matter be listed according issue reminder. Matter may be listed along with BA number 2033 of 2025. Okay.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number
List
42.
accordingly.
I have
Yes.
instruction to withdraw this case.
Which one?
Item number 42.
Itu wrong, I said, wrong. 42, yes. Yes, she has submitted here or any? Item number 42, no? Item number 42?
My lord, CD not received.
CD not received. Are you on interim day earlier? No. You are MS? Your good name?
S.A. Ahmed. Senior Judge.
No. Your name.
K. Das.
K. Das, appearing on behalf of.
Uh,
Hard MS K. Das, appearing on behalf of Mr. S.A. Ahmed. So it is, and also heard Mr. P. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. It is submitted by MS Kikoro. Ki MS Kikoro heard Das. That as per the instructions of her client, if she wants to withdraw the same. Considering the submission made by an consequent matter may be adjourned. Okay, is withdrawn. Disposed of withdrawn. Okay, it will be disposed of on withdrawn.
obliged.
Worship. Even items 30.
Like it could be a cylinder. Oh, right.
Lordship,
Lordship, I will take-
mention item number 32. Lordship, my senior is out of station. Kindly let them
T.
return.
Hussein is not available.
Hmm.
32, what is the position?
My lord, 32 case they received, my lord, regarding the present case petitioner is in interim, otherwise, my lord, there are sufficient material against the, your lordship may kindly short date may be fixed, my lord, otherwise, my lord, petitioner is already in jail in, my lord, West Bengal regarding some other cases, my lord.
Acha.
And there are many other, my lord, 10, 12 cases pending. Although, my lord, in this case, it seems to be simple affair, but from the investigation, it reveals some, my lord, other materials. Case I received, my lord, let's say any short date, my lord, otherwise it will be difficult for us to, my lord,
Okay.
within this.
At a request made by learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Hussein, matter is adjourned. However, Mr. Botapur, the learned additional PP, has submitted that case has already been, no, CD has already been received. Already been received, full stop. List the matter accordingly. When it can be listed, Botapur?
Thursday or Friday.
Thursday may not be possible. Thursday day again, this division match matter will be there. I don't know, maybe on Friday. Friday, Kita. 18th. We are listing out on 18th. Will it be possible on your part to 18th? He is out of station for how many days? Then you take instructions.
Fix it on 8, my lord, if on that day, my lord.
Then may not be 18 next Monday only.
Yes.
Monday, what is it? 21st? 21st.
May I please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 39, lordship.
30?
9.
Yes, he did
Case
receive.
not
Yes.
received, man.
Are you on interim there?
No, lordship.
You are not in interim?
No. Maybe give a short date, lordship.
39, CD not received. Issue reminder. Short date will may not serve your purpose also. That's why, yes, when it can be.
On, my lord, 24th.
24th of this month.
Yes.
24th.
Obliged, your lordship.
Lordship, I have made a mention.
Uh,
On Friday.
okay, maybe on Friday.
Friday.
Chip, I have collected the sections. Bail application number is 1828. Sections are BNS 140, subsection 3, 61, 2.
Okay, your next Monday.
Monday. Much obliged.
Supplementary for this, item number 6.
But as per instruction, my lord, I'd like to withdraw this, my lord, anticipatory bail application. Also, kindly give us liberty because party was desired to approach before the subordinate court for perhaps 4 days.
Okay. Put supplementary. You get nihilism? I will also not supplementary. Mostly তাতে ভিতরে থেকে গেছে। Item number 46, huh? Heard Mr. C.S. Samaria, the counsel and counsel for the petition. It is submitted by him. Also heard Mr. P. Botako, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Samaria that as per the instructions of his client, he wants to withdraw same with a liberty to file afresh. Considering the prayer submitted by, considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, the patent petition is disposed of on withdrawal with a liberty to file afresh.
Deeply.
Motion, item 1.
Made to your lordship.
Yes.
The allegation of theft is against the accused petitioner, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly peruse the FIR, which starts at page 13, and the relevant portion is at page 15. Now, 15 is the first FIR, your lordship.
First FIR means?
There were two FIRs, your lordship.
Okay.
So I'm reading the first FIR, this page 15.
Hmm.
In terms of the above referred subject matter, this is for your information that while I, SI Sri Dilip Kumar Misra, performing night duty in a parcel train passing on 12/6/2025 at Guwahati Railway Station, platform number 3, Kamakhya N, at about 1:30 hours of 13/6/2025, my duty bag was stolen or theft by unknown miscreant in my duty bag containing one number of HST device, serial number so-and-so, postpaid mobile number, model name Zebra, used for TMS tele and scanned with the properly Indian Railway, and my personal Realme mobile handset bearing SIM card number so-and-so, mobile number so-and-so. This was registered as GRPS case number 84/2025, page 16, your lordship, under section 3032 BNS. Now, your lordship may kindly peruse page 18. This FIR was lodged on 13/6, then 14/6, the next FIR was lodged, your lordship. Page 18, your lordship. May I read? This is to inform that on 13/6/2025, during surveillance of CCTV footage of Guwahati station, an incident of mobile theft of passengers was observed at railway around 1:30 hours at platform number 2-3 NGC side of Guwahati railway station. On duty officer and staff conducted search to nab the offender over CHY station area, but not found. Sources were engaged in this regard to nab the offender. On 14/6/2025, SI RK Dubey, AC Girin Medhi and AC Kamal Hussain of CDPS Guwahati, along with the staff, conducted surveillance drive against TOPB, theft of passenger belonging, dragging cases, Railway Act cases, and other antisocial elements, etc. over Guwahati railway station from 900 hours onwards. In course of drive at about 11:40, notice the said offender who was involved in the above mobile theft incident on 13/6/2025, along with one other suspected person, was loitering near ROB Porton Bazar beside the West Cabin Guwahati at kilometer number 1001. Immediately, we detained the offender with his associate and searching one HST scanner device found in his possession, make of Zebra. On asking, he confessed that the recovered HST scanner device was stolen by him. Your lordship may kindly note, he has categorically stated the HST scanner device was stolen by him from platform number 2/3 of Guwahati railway station 1 day ago, and another mobile phone which he has stolen on 13/6/2025 from station, he gave it to his associate. Now, this associate is the accused petitioner here, Your Lordship. The other person has very categorically stated that he was the one who had stolen the articles. Then conducted search, his associate could recover another mobile phone make of Realme backside light green color without SIM card. Or further interrogation, they disclose their name and address. I'm not reading that part, Your Lordship. Jivan Rekha and so-and-so. Wherein he accepted and identified himself about the mobile and SSS scanner device theft incident and confessed his guilt. The recovered mobile phone from his associate, namely Rajiv Ali, so-and-so, which he committed theft on 13/6/20 from Guwahati station. Accordingly, both the apprehended persons have been taken into custody and seized the above recovered mobile and SSS scanner device by SI K. Dubey from the possession of them in presence of available witness of about 12:30 hours on 14/6/2025 at the spot near ROB Porton Bazar beside the West Cabin Guwahati at 1 kilometer 1001 Guwahati under proper videography according to the BNSS 2023. Thereafter, both the apprehended persons brought to RPF post Guwahati for further action. The value of recovered mobile and SSS scanner device is rupees 1,60,000 160,000 approximately. The video footage of seizure and CCTV saved in a pen drive, make of Symmetronics, USB flash drive, 4 GB. The medical examination of both the apprehended person has been done at Railway Health Unit and Central Hospital, Guwahati, and found clinically fit. Now, the apprehended persons, along with the recovered mobile and HSC scanner device, seizure list, pen drive, and medical certificate are produced and handed over to you for taking necessary action as per provision of law. This case was registered under section 3032 and 370. 302 is theft, your lordship. 317 is when somebody receives stolen property, and 35 of the BNS Act. Now, your lordship may kindly peruse next page 34. Page 34 is an order, your lordship. CR is put up on strength of prayer made by the IO WSI Punam Ghosh of GRPS for amalgamation of GRPS case number so-and-so under section 3032, 317, 235 ANS with the instant case, third in Peru. So these two cases, your lordship, the first
Amalgamated.
they are amalgamated. Now, your lordship may kindly peruse page 35. Is the seizure list, and already the investigating officer very categorically stated, the person who has caught them, the informant, has very categorically stated that the articles were recovered, your lordship. I was arrested on the very day, your lordship, 14/6/2025, and since then I'm languishing in jail for the last 31 days. In my respectful submission, your lordship, the investigation is complete. The articles are already recovered, and from the day I have been forwarded, I am behind the bars, your lordship, in judicial custody. So, in my respectful submission, your lordship, may I pray that he may be allowed to go on bail, your lordship, on any stringent condition. That's my
Yes.
respectful submission.
Otherwise, my lord, those my lord theft articles were recovered from the possession of the present petitioner. And my lord, from the word my lord associate, now petitioner is trying to project the case that he is only the associate. Associate means here my lord associate for commission of the crime. After thefting the article, he handed over the my lord those my lord theft articles to the present petitioner. And thereafter, my lord, in the first FIR,
No, as per Mr. Deori, he is just simply an associate.
Yes, yeah. No, your lordship, in fact, to be very honest, your lordship, this is a case where I am a bona fide purchaser. And the person who is the accused, he had confessed that he was the person who has stolen the articles, and then
Maybe.
he had given it to me.
Now, my lord, if he is a bona fide purchaser, here, my lord, FIR initially lodged on 13/6, my lord, on the first day by someone, my lord, someone that is, my lord, he is the on-duty officer of the railway station, and that from him, some articles were theft by someone, and thereafter, on the next day, my lord, my lord, from the CCTV footage, the on-duty, my lord, personnel, my lord, they watch some, my lord, theft
Yes,
is
yes.
going on regarding some passengers. So both the FIR is not in respect of the same kind of, because earlier to someone other, and second is matter in respect of some passenger.
After perusing the CCTV footage and all.
Thereafter, both the accused persons on the same day, next day after committing the theft, were caught red-handed, were not caught red-handed along with those stolen articles. They were together, my lord. On the next day also. So, my lord, so he is.
But there was no necessity of amalgamating two cases. Why it has been amalgamated?
Because those accused persons who were, my lord, involved
They
in
were
committing
involved
the theft
in
from the
same kind.
CCTV footage, these are the
Hmm.
two accused persons, and they, on the basis of CCTV footage, police identified and my lord, caught.
In my respectful
Both-
submission,
Yes, okay.
in my respectful submission, the cases were amalgamated because the case was only with respect to the theft of that particular scanner of the railways as well as the mobile phone.
Yes, yes,
And that is the reason why, your lordship, both the cases are amalgamated.
yes, yes.
And the investigation is going on. In my respectful submission, I will, your lordship, in this case, your lordship, although it's an allegation that I was also an accomplice, your lordship, but I was not the person who has committed the theft. The person, the other co-accused, has very specifically stated that he was the one.
But sometimes it happens that directly in the present case, you may not be involved in the direct the committing the theft and all. It may be you may be a receiver of, but I don't know what is your otherwise your involvement. So let us.
Yes, yes.
It has to come from Patan Bazar.
Yes, sir. Pardon,
Pardon, Bazar,
only a
please.
short date, your lordship.
On 24th.
24th is next week because this week may not be possible. That's 24.
Very grateful, your lordship.
24/7 query. Simple purpose, city code.
First is a regular bail application, lordship, charge sheeted case, lordship. May I pray for the
LCR may be called for because case was not committed, Lordship. FIR Lordship will find on page 20, Lordship. It's a case of 140 BNS, Lordship. That is, Lordship, kidnapping or abduction in order to commit murder, Lordship, or for ransom.
Or ransom.
Yes, Lordship.
Not yet committed.
Not yet committed. Still, Lordship, in the appearance state, that will reflect in the order, Lordship, will find on page 76, Lordship.
Okay then. How many petitioners you are representing?
Here, two
One.
petitioners.
Two.
Lordship.
Atwar and
Atwar Rahman.
Rashida.
Yes, Lordship. Two petitioners.
Okay then. It has to come from which this district?
CGM Dhubri, Lord.
CGM Dhubri.
In PRC case 498 of 2020.
In PRC 498.
Yes, sir. 225. 2020.
498 of 2000.
25. Lord.
Pending before JMFC Dhubri.
Yes, CGM.
CGM Dhubri.
Dhubri, Lord.
CGM Dhubri, yeah. Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Call for the scanned copy of the TCR of PRC case number 498 of 2025, pending before Court of Learned CGM Dhubri. The rest will do the needful. Okay. No.
The petitioner in jail custody, Lordship, from 7 March, Lordship, 2025, Lordship. Almost 3 months there is gone.
Next week or two parini. 8 week or two needy more. Beleg matters as a next week, but our episode a week in 22, 28, 20, 28, 28, 7.
Oblige.
Item 3.
If I may, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm here as proxy counsel for Mr. Sangmai. Lordship, prayer is limited to just this much, that notice may be issued against respondent number 2, Lordship, the informant.
What is the nature of case here?
Lordship, it is a matter of rape, Lordship.
Matter of
Rape.
rape.
Yes, Lordship.
Costco is not there.
And that
Costco is not there, but they have made the party of the informant as a party. So
Yes.
let the notice be issued.
Yes.
and
You are Mr.
R. Bhuya, Lordship.
R. Bhuya.
Yes.
Heard Mr. R. Bhuya appearing on behalf of Mr. B.P. Sangmai, the counsel for the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. Issue notice on the respondent number 2 to jurisdictional police station routed to the office of the registry and the public prosecutor, also called for the case diary. List accordingly. Your petitioner is in custody since when?
Since the 18th of June, Lordship.
18th of June. Maybe 1st of August, I think. First week of August.
1st of August, Lordship.
1st of August. Oh. You just
Grateful,
take
Lord.
steps, and we are also calling for the case diary.
That's right.
Item 4.
Case diary to Matabuli Disana. Nadia. CDB call for.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, 483 bail application, Lordship.
Yes.
The allegation FIR is registered under section 318 subclause 269 and 351 subclause 3 of the BNS, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is in the jail for the last 20 long days, Lordship. The FIR vernacular is at page number 17, Lordship. May kindly please to see the FIR. Lordship, on
So you disclose your identity as an Hindu
Yes.
boy. Okay, anyway. Yes.
Reading of the affair, it clearly transpires that the informant, she herself is a lady as a 35-year. She has a daughter as a 12-year. And now she is alleging me that I have, on the pretext of false love and job, I have a relationship with her. So how far is the credibility and the integrity of the informant herself is to be seen, Your Honor. And regarding the concealment of identity, Lordship, in this era of technology, identity of any person can be easily known because there is a
I
phone
don't know
number.
what she was doing.
There is a
At
apparent,
present, we cannot see.
yes, yes. There is a phone number. His account is there in the Facebook. The actual fact is completely different, Lordship. Lordship,
Otherwise, what is your name?
my name is this name, Lordship.
Tafajul.
Tafazullah. The actual fact is Lordship is completely different. Lordship, may kindly see para number 6.
Okay, then since 20 days you are in
Yes,
custody,
Lordship.
I mean, just call for a case diary now today.
7th of August.
Lordship, kindly short date, Lordship.
Short date, we don't have any.
5th of August.
5th of August. Okay. 5th of August, CTP copy. Not possible. May not be possible because division bench will be there.
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay.
Item 5.
5th of July. 5th of August, sorry.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship. Regular bail application, Lordship.
yes.
FIR page, Lordship, 11, Lordship.
Please,
Page 11.
11.
May I read, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I would like to inform you that Honorable Guwahati High Court in order dated so and so, by WBC number so and so, granted bail to one declared foreign nation, namely Vasagali, all subject to fulfillment of bail conditions, Lordship. Accordingly, the family members of the said DFN approached before me on 26/2025 with a copy of the bail order. On 21/6/25, to solvent sureties approached me along with Mohammed Basak Ali's son, namely so and so, with documents for execution of bail of the named DFN as per the conditions of bail, Lordship. The two persons presenting themselves as solvent sureties, namely Rahul Terang and Lordship Ramesh Terang,
Son of Ramesh Terang.
the son of Ramesh Terang, and
Sakram Kili.
Sarkam Kili, Lordship, son of so and so, produced before me a Kheras Patta along with a land verification certificate. The said documents were then sent for verification by concerned authorities, and upon receiving the verification report, they were found to be fake and false, Lordship. This is a serious malavadi attempt by the said DFN and his associates to mislead the government and the honorable court by providing false information through fake and forged documents to avoid the net of law. It is suspected that an organized criminal record is behind such antisocial activities. You are thereby requested to register a case against the said person and take necessary legal action against
So
them.
who is the petitioner?
No.
Hamari Tasu? Hamari Tisu?
Lordship, I am not in this affair, my lord.
No, you are Hamari Tisu.
Hamarit Tisu, Lordship. No name mentioned in the affair, my name, Lordship. Lordship, I am behind the bar. Lordship, I am behind the bar, Lordship. 20 days, date of arrest, Lordship, 26/6/2020.
Now see if this fraud is actually in for the forced document, if you have submitted
Lordship, I am
before
nowhere connected in
is
this.
connecting in connection with a bail order from the Honorable Guwahati High Court, then again it was fake for a DFN only, and then again it is the forced documents were submitted. So now the seriousness of allegation, you see the allegation. I don't know how you are related or not. That is not the matter of because we are not produced the case diary. But otherwise, you see the seriousness of allegations. How serious?
Section is serious, but I am nowhere connected.
Very serious allegation. Okay, when it can be called?
7th of August.
Lordship, short date may be given, Lordship.
Short date means next week we have the division bench again. Today also I am rising it by 4. We have some other engagement. If we are rising by 4, not by 4. Again, we have some work in chamber and then leaves early. Till 4 only I'm here. Again, this Wednesday also, Thursday also same will be here. Friday also same. Division bench matter is going on, in fact. So this week though, it's not at all possible. Kiba pari niki? Anyway, investigation is at a very early stage, I think, na?
On 31st, 31.
At best 31st.
31.
Briefly, please.
CD for. Yes.
To be or not to be, that is the question of Kingsley of Macbeth, my lord. I'm in a fix what to say or what not to say, that is the question, my lord. This is an application, my lord. Anticipated a pre-arrest bail, my lord. In connection with SUSA PFPS number 40/2025 under section 61, subsection 2, 318, subsection 4, 316, subsection 2 of BNS, my lord. First, my lord, I just want to take your lordship to Annex 1, page 9. I'm just reading out the only relevant portion for our lordship's kind convenience. Annex 1, page 9. To the office in Stras, Susa Police Station, that 21/6/2025. That about 2 years ago, the below named accused have taken an amount of rupees 2,54,000 from me fraudulently with a promise to give a tractor in my name, but till today, the accused neither gave the tractor nor repay my approached money. So that is the contents, my lord. And my lord, I am the working president of the All Assam Kisan Congress Committee. And my lord, the main point is this allegation is on 2021, my lord. But this affair is lodged on 2025, the lapse of time, my lord, because my lord, my wife
Where from
was.
we are saying 21? It is a case of 21. Where from we are saying?
Not registered, my lord.
That about 2 years ago.
About 2 years ago, my lord.
Okay,
About 2 years
about 2
ago,
years
my
ago,
lord.
okay.
And the main problem is that, my lord, my wife was elected as a Panchayat member of the Gotabari Kotabau Gam Panchayat, my lord, and was subsequently elected as the president of the Gotabari Kotapatiya GP Gam Panchayat, my lord. And that is why, my lord, case is filed against me. This is the political rivalry, the AIADF party and me, my lord. And because my credentials prove it, my lord, I would like to take lordship to Annex 2, page 14, my lord, which is a letter, this will prove my credentials, my lord. This letter sent by Sitpal Singh Kharia ML Chairman, former leader of opposition Punjab. Letter is from 24 Akbar Road, New Delhi. I hope you will strengthen the All India Kisan Congress and Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. You will give your best to regenerate and revitalize the All India Kisan Congress and make it more vibrant, which is sole view to strengthen the Congress party and promote the Congress ideals under the dynamic leadership of Sri Mallikarjun Kharge.
So you deny the allegation
I
that
deny
you
the
have,
allegation, and in this respect,
or you are going to repay the loan?
no,
Or
I
the
have not
tractor
taken-
is there,
I have
promise
not
of
taken-
giving a tractor.
I have not taken any loan, my lord. In this regard, I want to place a judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court.
No need now. Yes, Botatu.
So I want my lord pre-arrest bail for the time being. Let the city become, my lord. Only pray for the pre-arrest bail, my lord.
Yes, and otherwise difficulty is that, yes, it seems primarily, my lord, cases of civil nature. But my lord, part of threatening, why he has received that amount of rupees 2,54,000. So
I'm a responsible citizen, my lord. I'm not an ordinary person.
That's why you should repay
the
the loan, or
person.
you said as per promise, you should give her this the tractor to
So
him.
I only pray.
If you are a responsible person.
I can assure your lordship, my lord. If a lordship grant me pre-arrest bail, I can assure your lordship that your lordship's every order, Your Lordship's every directions, your Lordship's every restriction that will impose on me, I will follow it in letter and spirit, my Lord.
So your name is not here?
My name is not here because I'm SSA Rohan.
No, you are SSA Roman. Have you filed your Vakaratnama here?
Ukratnama I have filed, my Lord.
Heard Mr. SSA Rahman, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Botaku, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Rahman that the present accused petitioner is innocent and he is no way involved in the alleged offense. He never took any loan of rupees 2,54,000 as alleged in the FIR, nor there was any promise made by him to give the tractor to the informant. And the present FIR has been lost only due to political rivalry and rivalry post. However, the present petitioner is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is granted with some interim protection. Next, Mr. Botaku, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that prior the case may be of civilian nature, but there was allegation of threatening and other criminal intimidation, and hence the perusal of the case diary will be necessary to know the actual fact of the case. To whose satisfaction this one is? Oh, this is pre-arrest, no? Okay.
Arresting officer.
Okay, you will be under interim protection. Appear before the IO within 7 days.
My
The
lord.
investigation. Yes, when it can be CTB called. 7th of August. 27th.
Yes, ma'am. Highly
27th
obliged,
of
my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Oh.
Yeah. My lord, this is the same matter. If the case is filed against me, my lord, same matter, my lord. Same argument, my lord.
Oh, you have two cases.
2 cases, my lord.
Why the other one we have understood that due to political rivalry it was filed, and now this one?
My lord, because of on 2nd and 7th of May 2025, when Panchayat election was held, my lord, my wife was elected as a member. And subsequently, my lord, there was a political rivalry, my lord, and my wife was then selected as the president of the Gram Panchayat, my lord, which I mentioned earlier, my lord, before lordship, my lord.
No, otherwise from the two affairs in both.
And it is also my lord civil nature, my lord, because Honorable Supreme Court judgment is there, my lord.
Taking advantage of his political position, my lord, he is taking bribe for providing those sectors, my lord. This is the main crux of the matter, my lord.
But yeah, the allegation, my lord, is of 21, my lord.
From me, accordingly.
Allegation is of 21. FIR is lost in 25, which is interesting, my lord. So why you were silent, my lord?
Okay, same থাকে এখানে এটা আছে 1,61,000 with a promise to give 32 numbers of solars within 1 week. It will have a difference. Okay. Yes, in what the matters.
Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Item 10.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
This is pre-arrest bail application, lordship. The informant FIR is the counterblast FIR, lordship. And first the informant FIR is lordship, page number 13, lordship.
13.
13, lordship. And may I read the lordship particular page number 16? Very small FIR, lordship, page 16.
Yes.
May I read? Operating portion, lordship, the সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে আজি প্ৰায় 4 মাহ মান আগতে মোৰ ভোগ দখলৰ থকা মাটিত ঘৰবাৰী সাজি বসবাস কৰি আছো আৰু সেই মাটিলৈ আজি কিছুদিনৰ পৰা 3 নং আসামীয়ে মোৰ লগত বিবাদ কৰি আছে 10/5/2025 তাৰিখে ৰাতিপুৱা অনুমান 10:30 মান বজাত উক্ত আসামীগণে কেইজনমান গুণ্ডা বাহিনীৰ গাড়ী লৈ আহি মোৰ ঘৰত প্ৰৱেশ কৰি মোৰ থকা ঘৰ বেৰ ভাঙি দিয়ে আমি বাধা দিয়াত আসামিগণে মোক মোৰ পত্নী হাছনাৰা বেগম ল'ৰা নাজিৰুল ইছলামক লাঠি দি কোবাই জখম কৰে আৰু নাজিৰুল ইছলামক 1 নং আসামীয়ে দা দি কপালত গাপ মাৰি গুৰুতৰ জখম কৰে। This is the allegation, Lordship. But Lordship, kindly come to our FIR is page number, Lordship. 20, Lordship, 21, Lordship. And our FIR is first lost and subsequently their FIR is informant FIR is lost, Lordship. And operating person, Lordship, vernacular page number 25, Lordship.
Your FIR is registered as
125, the PS 125/2025, and the informant FIR is 126/2025, Lordship.
Sure.
Same PS. And page number 25, Lordship, and the vernacular small FIR, Lordship. Operating person, সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন আজি ইংৰাজী 10/5/25 তাৰিখে পুৱা 10টা মান বজাত বিবাদীয়ে মাটিত উপৰোক্ত আসামিগণে বলপূৰ্বকভাৱে মাটি দখল কৰি মাটি পেলাই বগবাগ কৰি থকা গম পায় সালে আলমৰ লগত চাবলৈ যোৱাত উপৰোক্ত আসামিগণে দলবদ্ধভাৱে হাতত চোকা অস্ত্ৰ লোহাৰ ৰড আদি লৈ আহি মোক মাৰপিট কৰি শৰীৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইত জখম কৰে আৰু লোহাৰ ৰডেৰে প্ৰাণে হত্যা কৰাৰ ভাৱে মূৰত মাৰি গুৰুতৰ জখম কৰে আৰু মোৰ সম্পৰ্কীয় দাদা ঘটনাটো ফিৰাবলৈ যাওঁতে মোৰ দাদাকো মাৰি দুটা আগদাঁত ভাঙি গুৰুতৰ জখম কৰে। And so and so. Lordship, kindly come to Lordship, the petitioner number 1, Salah Ali Hazurika, Lordship, and he is the owner or register, or he is the patadar of the land, Lordship. Kindly come to page number 17, Lordship. 17. And next, Lordship, 18, Lordship, and operating Lordship. Jamabandi copy, Lordship. Salah Alam Hazurika, Lordship, and he is the petitioner number 1, and his name is here. But the informant FIR, Lordship, there is nothing specifically mentioned, any DAG number, any patta, any land is specifically mentioned, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship,
otherwise basically this is a land dispute.
Lordship, land dispute, Lordship. But the petitioner number 3 is a ex-army man, Lordship, and the petitioner number 1 is a pattada, Lordship, and very specifically mentioned. And Lordship, kindly for a moment, Lordship, another page number 19. Page number 19, Lordship. And this is, Lordship, the annual patta, Lordship. And they have made, the petitioner number 3 made an application before the Deputy Commissioner, Lordship. Have you got, Lordship? Page number 19. Your application for conversion of land from annual patta to periodic patta has been submitted successfully. That is, Lordship, 21/2025, Lordship. But the FIR is lost in the, Lordship, on 10/5/2025. And Lordship, kindly come another, Lordship. And this is, Lordship, the page number 20. Lordship. And the petitioner also made an application, Lordship, before the Govt of Assam, Office of the District Commissioner Nagaon and Zilla Sainik Welfare Office, so and so. That because he is the ex-army man, Lordship. And there is, Lordship, and subsequently this is forwarded to the Deputy Commissioner for necessary action, Lordship.
Yes, okay, yes, bottom.
Otherwise,
Is the aggressor and how these persons are involved?
You want to call for CD of both the matters?
in the meantime, Lordship, I
Heard Mr. Afok, the learned counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. P. Waterpool, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, the section so and so in connection with so and so. Next point, it is submitted by Mr. Hawk that present accused. You're out of 3 petitioners, who lost your first FIR? One, petition number 1.
1, Lordship.
One had lost the
petition number 3, Lordship. Petition
3 lost the
number
FIR.
Lordship. And Lordship, and in our case, Lordship, already they are arrested, Lordship. Already arrested 3 person, Lordship.
Okay, anyway. 3 had lost the FIR.
Lordship.
Submitted that there was a land dispute between the parties, and the present petitioner number 1 is the landholder, and the informant and some others are trying to disposes the land, and for which there was a land dispute between the parties. Full stop. After this said occurrence, the petitioner number 3 had lost an FIR, and the present FIR has lost only as a counterblast of the said FIR lost by them. However, the present petitioners are ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if they are granted with some interim protection. Next para, Mr. Portaco, the learned additional PP, insisted to call for the case diary of both Ding PS case number 126/2025 and Ding PS case number 125/2025 filed by the petitions to know the actual fact of the case. Next para, considering this submission made by learned counsel for both sides, so and so, to who you will be under interim protection,
Lordship.
appear before the IO and cooperate in the investigation.
Deeply obliged, deeply obliged.
We are calling for the case date 27th of August. So what is the office note to give? I am saying again. And copy of criminal appeal. So I say, there has been called for notice. You are Mr.
I second.
Hard Mr. I Chakma, the counsel for the petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also hard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. From the office note, it is seen that though the service was notice was issued on the respond number 2, the no service report is received by the registry till date, though the steps was taken in the year 2023. Accordingly, the petitioner is hereby directed to take fresh steps on the respondent number 2 through registered AD and as usual process, and also through the jurisdictional through the IO through the OC of the concerned jurisdictional police station. So this time you do one thing through registered AD also you take steps, and otherwise through jurisdictional police station also through OC concern of the jurisdictional police station also can be taken. Because of your absence of the other side, we could not send the matter to the mediation also.
Yes.
Due to absence of the other side, the matter could not be sent for mediation. List accordingly after 2 weeks. You just immediately take steps. We are listing it after 2 weeks only.
Daily hearing, item 17.
That's it.
Lordship, one of the court was in this case was granted bail on the ground that Lordship the notice under section 41. It was not served, Lordship. That ground, Lordship, the one of the prime acres was granted bail.
Well, here, Sarsit submitted, my lord.
The scan copy of the session may be called for, Lordship.
You can try before the learned trial court below.
No, I'm taking the
Because this non-communication of ground awareness and etc. are also taken considering by the learned court below also. So you can approach. Otherwise,
PD Lordship, the principle of parity, Lordship, that's why the scan copy may be called for, Lordship.
it will take time then. Because charge sheet is there, but it has to be taken over by some other magistrate, CGM. What is the nature of case here?
22 C NDPS.
Oh, NDPS is here.
Okay.
Oh, I took your yard decided here. Say what to do. Otherwise, you can approach the learned trial court below, or you have to wait for some time because this month it will not be possible. It will be taken over by some the magistrate or the special judge, and then because charge sheet is when charge sheet is dated
9/7.
9/7. So very recent. I don't know.
Very recent.
Even if you think that the scan copy of the TCRB should be called for, then it will take some time. Better to, I think, better to approach the learned trial court bill. And if this code is the co-accused welfare is considered by the High Court, then on that ground, it may be considered by the learned trial court bill also. I think so. I don't know. Maybe. You may be different. I am not on that.
Some objection may be made, then the case may be, I'll approach the learned trial court, and some
You
objection
would
may be-
have to approach, but other observation is not possible.
Because the objection in the sense that one prime accused, one kind of the court,
That
So
is
he has
not
granted
possible.
bail on
No,
the
you
ground.
know better. That is not possible. That kind of observation, we cannot bound the learned trial court belows to pass any order in that regard. I'm just saying that if the order was passed by this court for a co-accused, that ground of parity or either by the observation made by the High Court, that may be considered by the learned trial court, but it is not a case that that the learned trial court below should consider or should be considered.
Yes, but my submission is that, Lordships, there are 3 petitioners before Lordships now. The prime accused of the Kishore Ghosh Lordship was granted bail because Lordship the 48 notice.
No, whatever, it's a charge-sheeted case now.
But in the present case, Lordship, the petitioner was never served the 48 notice, Lordship, even.
Now, these will not be considered. I think there are coordinate benches, judgments are there, and the Supreme Court also under their other observation. If it is knowledge is there, then it's. Let us see.
Right.
Okay then. Now it's up to you. If I call for the scan copy of the TCR, then it will after 1 month only. Or better to dispose of, you can approach. I
Right.
think so. That will be better option. I think. It will be better option.
Then once may be given, Lordship, after 15 days, Lordship, the scan copy of the.
Yeah, I'll not be here only. My roster is in Arunachal. That is the other problem. That will be better, I think. You can approach if it is suppose somehow it is rejected and all. By tomorrow also, if it is disposed of by today, then by tomorrow also you can approach. Because the records are there only, charge sheet is there only. Otherwise, if you call for, then definitely I have told you that it will take some time.
Call for after 20 days, Lordship, then. After 20 days, Lordship.
You mean maybe may not be there, order may not be there because line of consideration is a bit different now.
I'm leaving to your Lordships. That's not possible, Lordships. So it is disposable.
Because you should, I think a better option is there, you should approach. Yeah. Heard Mr. T. Chutia, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. V. Sharma, the learned additional people, above state respondent. Next prayer, it is submitted by Mr. Sharma. That case has already been charge sheeted. Right, CS number, yes.
166 of 2025.
166 of 2025.
That is 972.
9/7/2020. Pakistan order code. So otherwise your petitioner is behind the bar since when?
112 days, Lordships.
412.
112.
112. তেখেতৰ submission দি দিব 112 days because in custody and the co-accused
Prime accused.
prime accused has already been granted bail by this court. It will submission by the okay, I'll make the submission. Approach this court, the learned trial.
I have pledged, Lordship.
Item 80.
Made pleasure, Lordship. My lord, here, my lord. Basically on the length of detention, my lord, 74 days in custody as on today, my lord. And my lord, page 9 is the FIR. Well, in the nutshell of the FIR is that the petitioner is a secretary of a Gosala, my lord. President, my lord, sorry, president of a Gosala, my lord. And the cows which were, my lord, cattle which were brought to the Gosala, they used to sell it, my lord. That is the allegation in general.
What is it? Is it Girgai or no?
No, not Girgai, not Girgai, normal guy.
Now Girgai is in.
Yes, my lord. This is the allegation.
So
Actually,
being a president or secretary, whatever he sold, the allegation that he sold.
my submission is that, my lord, I am the secretary. I am the president, my lord. I am the president like the president of India, my lord, titular nominal man. But it is run by the administration is run of the Gosala is run by the secretary, my lord, Ibrahim. I've categorically stated that. And moreover, my lord, 74 days in custody, my lord, and 317 for that is
up to life imprisonment, my lord, that is possibly may not be attracted because there it deals with stolen property. These cattle are not stolen cattle, my lord. They are seized, my lord, those cattle, my lord, cattle act, my lord, who brings cattle, my lord. Police seize those cattle only on the land of detention, my lord. He is a my lord, local resident, my lord. And my lord, on any stringent condition, my lord, only on the land of
So
detention.
54 numbers of cattle.
During
in two
pendency of
trucks.
the case, during pendency of the case, he was the custodian of all these cattle, my lord. And now, my lord, while court has directed for interim custody of the all these cattle, now during verification, it is found that all those cattle were sold by the present petitioner. So there are materials in the case there, my lord, against the present petitioner.
The custody was given to him.
Yes, my lord. He was the owner of the Gosala, my lord. He is
Acha.
the president of that Gosala, and during pendency of the court case, my lord, those 54 cattle which were, my lord, apprehended and seized by the police, my lord, court has granted, my lord, my lord, during pendency of the case, my lord, he is the custodian. That Gosala of the present petitioner is the custodian of all those 54 cattle. And my lord, ultimately, he has sold all these cattle, my lord, during
From his custody only?
Yes, my lord, from his custody. So there are materials in the case.
Well, I'm bringing on a detention, man, 74. And man, those cattle are not stolen cattle. Only man, if it goes by the sections also, 317 4 miles may not be attracted. 300 other sections are 60 days offense, and 374 is 19 days of 90 days offense, my lord, and possibly not attracted, my lord. Because these are not stolen cattle, my lord.
So you are in custody since 70?
74 days. Since my lord 4 5.
No, as per FIR, what is the FIR in fact? FIR is
FIR that thing, my lord,
FIR is lodged by the, my lord, investigating officer of the
officer,
case.
my lord, that what I
officer
have
of the
revealed
case.
before the Lord.
My lord, while court has granted, my lord, to someone interim custody of those cattle which were, my lord, apprehended by police, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, while the investigating IO went to the Gosala and he found that those cattle were not there, and during preliminary investigation, he came to note that all these cattle were sold by the present petitioner.
My lord, one thing, my lord, if the cattle were stolen cattle, the custody would have not been given, my lord. So, my lord, these are
Question
not.
is of no question is not of
question of not stolen.
Yeah, but my lord, I'm telling you,
Question is that you are the custodian. You were
custodian,
custody was given to you by the court.
court, my lord.
Yes.
And then you sold out all
Given by the
24.
by the police investigating officer, my lord.
Yes, because Gosalas are now
Oh, yes,
given the
ma'am.
custody
Yes,
of the
yes.
maximum
Yeah, yes,
stolen
ma'am.
cows and all.
Yes, but
Cows may be stolen or not stolen. We are not the
Yes,
situation. Now the question is that you were
It
the
has been
custodian.
done.
You
Yes,
were the
ma'am.
custodian.
The custodian.
Oh.
That's why I'm praying on the very beginning, my lord, that on the length of detention, my lord, 74 days.
Yes, on length of detention, what do you want to submit?
Otherwise, my lord, I have that regarding that I will leave it to your lordship, but considering those materials, my lord, my lord, in the ground of length of detention also he is not deserved for getting bail money. Otherwise, my lord, yes, already in 74 days, he has already sold those, my lord, 54 numbers of cattle, my lord.
Those were recovered now or not yet?
No, not yet recovered, my lord. This is the difficulty, my lord.
To whom you have sold?
My lord, that, my lord, but my lord, actually, my lord, my lord, what I submitted, my lord, I'm the president, my lord, secretary runs, my lord, everything, my lord, Ibrahim.
Considering the materials available in the case diary and type of offense he has committed, then length of detention is also not acknowledged.
And then apart from 317, my lord, our other sections are 60 days offense. 317 4, my lord.
Botako, if you go by the section 317(4), says that whoever habitually receives or deals in property which he knows or has reason to believe to be stolen property shall be punished with so and so.
Yes.
But the question is that these.
It seems that he himself is the custodian of the property. Property is of someone else, my lord. So during custody, my lord, all those cattle were disappeared, my lord.
So beings, he himself is involved in theft. Otherwise, my lord, because my lord, those kettles were, my lord, while those kettles were, my lord, seized by the police, and thereafter, my lord, during my lord, pendency of the case, my lord, police, he is the owner of the Kosala. My lord, and my lord, here there are also other materials that earlier also, my lord, there are some, my lord, materials against him. He is committing in this type of offenses, my lord. So, my lord, where those, my lord, ultimately he is involved in theft also, my lord.
No, it's okay. He is involved in theft, or these were sold. I mean, those were which were kept
During
in his
investigation,
custody.
my lord,
No, I'm the question is that no, these are the not the stolen.
not.
That's what I'm.
Yes,
No,
my
these
lord.
are the custody of 54 cattle were given to him by the court.
Yes.
And it is not the case that he received those stolen. That's what I'm saying.
That is true.
That is because 317(4) says that receiving of the stolen property. So here in this case, he may be a theft, or he may be dealt with some similar cases.
Yes,
But
that is
here it was the custody was given by the court or by the police, whoever. Because 54 numbers were.
No, that offense is not directly, my lord, attracted. During my lord
But his
trial,
conduct is yes, definitely.
conduct, my lord, maybe my lord, some it is a case for aiding, my lord, other sections also, my lord, considering his my lord involvement. This is not a case of 60 days offense, actually. In fact, although that section is not exactly attracted regarding, my lord, dealing with stolen articles, but because those kettles were also not of the present petitioner.
No, not at all.
Yes.
This is not his cattle. This is definitely. So you want more days to him?
Otherwise, from the materials available on record, my lord, it seems that those 54 kettles, my lord, not yet, my lord, where he has stolen, those persons, my lord, not yet recovered. These allegations are there. Investigation is still.
So 14, 15 days again remains as per the offense also.
Any condition, mother, he has got learned sufficiently. If he has committed also, mother, he'll face the trial, mother, 74 days, mother, and he has been not really retaken for police custody, mother. What he was initially was taken police custody. After that, mother, he is in jail, mother. See, 74 days as on date, mother. The further custody may not be required, mother. Is on minor children. He has learned sufficiently. If he has committed, mother, learned sufficient. 74 days, mother. Further custodial interrogation may not be required, mother.
Only difficulty is that till now police failed to trace out those, my lord, kettles.
Malad, this 16 days, Malad, it is Malad, if he remains inside also, Malad, what help, Malad? Lordship may put stringent condition that he will appear every fortnight or like that.
No, but we have not the 54 numbers of cattle are not yet
Traced out,
recovered. I
Malad.
traced out.
No, Malad, that is correct, Malad. But if 16 days, if he remains also, Malad.
Heard Mr. S.M. Abdullah P, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Botako, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. CD receipt, where is received? It is submitted by Mr. Abdullah that the present accused petitioner is the president of the Goshala, and everything is run by the secretary, and he is not at all involved in any other activities of the Goshala. He further submitted that the present accused petitioner is in custody since last 74 days, and hence, considering his length of detention, he may be enlarged on bail. However, he is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is granted with the privilege of bail. Mr. Abdullah further submitted that the other sections which were registered, the sections under which the case is registered are all is of 60 days offense, except the section 317, subsection 4 of BNS. But the section does not attract against the present petitioner, as there is no allegation of that the cattle which were in custody of the Goshala were the theft cattle. And next for Mr. Botaku, the learned additional PP, submitted in this regard that there are sufficient incriminating materials against the present petitioner, and he was the president of the Goshala, wherein the 54 numbers of cows were given custody, and from the custody of the Goshala, all the cattle were sold out to some other persons, and those were until that the cattle were not recovered by the investigating agency. Mr. Waterford accordingly submitted that the present petitioner, bail prayer for the present petitioner may not be considered at this stage. Baki, considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, without going detail into the merit of the case, only considering the length of detention already undergone by the accused petitioner, and if it is fully where it is pending,
Kamrup Metro,
dissatisfaction of CGM government. Okay.
I'm obliged, deeply obliged.
Item 19.
Nineteen also CD receipt, yeah?
FIR case number 16.
FIR.
Yes. So this is a case of purely suicide lordship. Last occasion, this matter is heard by the coordinate person lordship. Because there is some.
It was already heard.
Yes, lordship. Honorable court doubt that this can be a murder. Therefore, fix today. Let him some more days by saying that let him some more days.
Since when he is in your petitioner is in custody since
Now,
when?
73 days, madam.
73.
FIR is case
So FSL report or the PM report has received?
PM report received, my lord. PM report received, my lord.
Your petitioner is, who is your petitioner?
My lord, Mujibur Rahman, my lord.
Mujibur Rahman.
CL number 3, lordship. The accused number 1 and 2, my lord, not arrested, lordship.
Not yet arrested.
Lordship.
Then who is she? Mitodator motor.
Lordship.
Hokolok.
He's my wife.
Hasnara.
Wife. He's my wife, lord.
Thio hoi থকা দেখা পাও means?
Lordship.
Who is থিয় হৈ থকা?
My lord, he's my wife.
The deceased was your wife?
Yes, lordship. My wife.
He is the husband of the deceased.
How she died? As per you?
I have stated, my lord, in paragraph 6, lordship. What is 7, my lord? Paragraph 6, lordship. There is a quarrel, my lord, between my wife and my neighbor, lordship, on my lord 1/5/2025, lordship. Kindly come to the my lord, paragraph 6, lord.
Only it is there that it is the antemortem hanging. Apart from that, whether it is a suicidal or these are not there. Or the regarding the ligature mark also is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether it is a continuous, non-continuous is not here. So how can we know?
Otherwise, my lord, statement of witnesses is there, my lord, regarding physical, mental harassment by the present petitioner is there, ma'am.
So maybe suicidal, but there may be 106 or nowadays, I don't know. That may be there.
So I have stated in paragraph 6, my lord, the incident also.
And even if she committed suicide, then also you instigated.
No, my lord. I stated, my lord. The paragraph 6, my lord. Kindly, my lord. Why, my lord? She. Okay, my lord, on 1/5/2025, a minor struggle took place between Hakna Khatun, this is my wife, and her neighbor, Aklima Khatun. She's also accused, my lord, in that trial. And her son, Abdul Islam, in connection with a Sikh, owner of Hasna, which is inadvertently into.
They are also accused, huh?
Yes, lordship. Introduced to a Khalilur Rahman, husband of the Aklima Khatun, and the scaffold gradually spoiled into a major brawl, and in the ensuing mayhem, Hasnara severely beaten by the Aklima and Ahidul lordship. The accused Becky stated that head of the mental stability of the Hasnara divert to all time low following the incident. He even
apprise her parents about the incident, my lord.
So you are in custody since how many days now? Huh?
73 days. And also, my lord, considering the length of the incident, also, my lord, 73 days. I think that put some condition, lord.
Then Aklima and they are not got arrested.
Not arrested, lord.
So what is the otherwise the as per the she was been tortured by him, mental and physical.
Then, my lord,
And here accused number, my lord, other two accused, one is the both are neighbors, my lord. And in there are some of the illicit relationship also regarding that aspect also, my lord. Some of the, my lord, that is the doubt, my lord. That is, my lord, regarding that aspect also, one or two witnesses also, my lord, stated. Otherwise, my lord, regarding
That
the
his present petitioner had some illicit relationship with
my lord,
one Aklima.
Aklima.
my lord, this is my lord, fine to totally denied lordship. So far as the first part is concerned, my lord, the Prasad. Prasad, to some extent, my lord, as a husband wife, my lord, something is there, lord.
As a husband, why you tortured some?
No, my lord, not torture, my lord. Some altercation, verbal altercation is there, something. I mean, not too much, too much, lord. But the second part, my lord,
Not too much, all of.
my lord. The husband.
And you, Mr. Gogoi,
Yes, yes, go.
heard Mr. D. Trupel, the learned counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Of state respondent, full stop. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is city receipt, where is the same? It is submitted by Mr. Gokul, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that he is now be involved in the alleged offense. On the day of incident, there was a quarrel between the other two accused persons who were the neighbors of the present petition, and for that only his wife oblique the victim committed suicide, and he has not committed suicide. Further, he submitted that his petitioner is in custody since last 73 days, and hence, considering his length of detention also, he may be released on bail. However, he is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case. If he is granted PTIP, we will let you pay. Mr. Waterford, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that from there are some incriminating materials against the present petitioner, and the sum of the witnesses has stated that have stated that the accused petitioner used to inflict mental and physical torture on the victim. Full stop. However, the final medical FSL report is not yet received by the IO, and as per the PM report, the death was caused due to asphyxia as a result of antemortem hanging. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, it is seen that though, as per the PM report, the death was caused due to asphyxia as a result of antemortem hanging, but it is not clear as to whether the hanging was suicidal or not. But without going into detail on the merit of the case, I find that the 73 days custody is sufficient for the IO to interrogate the accused petitioner, and accordingly, I find that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary. So and so. Where it is pending, case is to the satisfaction of CJ Mudal. Okay.
Item 20.
Total 98 days in custody. Also, mandatory period is over here. City in High Court.
Is there any, my lord, UPA Act is also there, my lord.
Oh,
But I am not a member.
But UP is there, whether any
Yes, my lord, regarding my, as per right now, That order is not there, my lord, in the case. I will have to go through it, my lord. But as per my verbal instruction, my lord, probably, my lord, already extended, my lord. So I will have
That
to.
has to be, mainly that has
Yes,
to be seen
yes.
whether it is extended. or
Yes, your lordship may fix any.
Lordship, on last
So why
occasion,
this
Lordship,
Tata Q I say is to special electronic case? Why this is cases before us?
Lordship, on last occasion, Your
It is a
Lordship,
case of under special, I think. UAP, isn't it?
APA.
It should not be before this court, no? Huh? Oh, before the appropriate bench it should be.
Is a question.
No, no. This is my fresh case. First time.
See the race is, what is this? We're not going to deal with this case now.
Yes.
Lordship, on last occasion,
UAP,
Lordship, he was received and lying till date, Your Lordship, in court, in this honorable court, Your Lordship. And on last occasion, my friend submitted that they are unable to go through it. Their CD is high volume, Your Lordship. That's what it is today. Today, 98 days, Your Lordship. Mandatory is over, Your Lordship. Default.
We don't know whether there is an extension or not. That is the main issue.
CD is here, Your Lordship, since 23rd June, Your
I
Lordship.
have not gone through. This is not the case before me that they will fix it tomorrow or by the day after tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow will it be possible?
Already list.
Supply
out
list.
Tomorrow, your lordship.
Day after tomorrow? List before appropriate bench on appropriate bench on when? 17. Today is? It will be 17. 17. CDB retained till next date of listing. Okay.
Obligation.
22.
Please, your lordship.
22, we have received this scan copy here. What is the nature of case?
376D, lordship.
Huh?
376D.
376D?
376D. 407 days rather than 2 days, lordship, in custody.
Pardon, how many days?
407 days.
407 days.
7 days.
What is the stage of the case at present?
Lordship, trial has already started.
Yes. How many
Already 6
witnesses?
witnesses have been examined.
Pardon?
Out of 14.
Out of 14, how many?
6 number as a
6.
6 lordship. And lordship, at the time of arrest, lordship,
Victim is statement is recorded.
Yes, lordship. The statement of victim and informant has been recorded. They are examined, lordship.
Out of 46 witnesses examined also. But they have implicated these persons.
Yeah. Your Honor,
Committing of rape. The victim has also indicated, as well as the witnesses is also stated. That
Otherwise, it is just 376D in fact.
376D, lordship.
because 2 persons are involved also.
And lordship, at the time of arrest, lordship, ground of arrest was not mentioned in the.
Will not consider this one, these things.
It is clear also.
So now 407 days you are in custody
407 days were in custody.
and 14 numbers of witnesses, six examined.
6 examined.
6 examined, including victim and the informant.
Victim and the informant.
Yes, what is your submission? They are implicated.
And the nature of the offense is very serious in nature also. At this stage, he may not be under some bail also.
Ground of arrest was not communicated, lordship, at the time of arrest.
It's okay.
Your lordship has already granted bail in other cases.
Now onwards, it won't be allowed. That several coordinate benches judgment is also there.
So I have taken all the depositions of the.
Here now.
Person.
So from where you got arrested? From the where from you are arrested? You were arrested from where?
From my house, lordship.
From your house only?
Yes. Actually, police called us in the police station. I went to the police station, then arrested.
Or earlier you were called to police station?
Yes, Lord. Considering the length of detention, Lordship, the fact that more witnesses are to be examined, it will take time, Lordship.
But length of detention in each and every cases, Lordship, that may not be counted because Lordship, this sometimes when rape is involved, Lordship, offense of rape is involved, Lordship, then Lordship, the length of detention may not be counted, Lordship. In some cases, it is okay, Lordship, that can be counted, Lordship. In
There
some,
may be, Lordship.
some minor offense and some that like that offense. But Lordship, when rape, locality,
Okay. I'm to go on practice courses. Huh? Practice course in you?
locality murder and this type of involved, Lordship. In those cases, Lordship, length of, on the ground of length of detention, that may not be because trial is also proceeding in regular manner. So it is not that Lordship, it is lately proceeding, Lordship. It is continued in a smooth manner, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Rana, we'll see to that the statement. If further detention is required, then it's okay. Otherwise, we may get a bail. Because 6 numbers, so as you have submitted, 6 witnesses have already examined, and out of that, informant victim has already been examined. We'll see to it.
Like to lay on the judgment, your Lordship order.
No, this will not follow now. Will not follow this one. Wait, okay, without waiting, whatever is radius. We are running short of time. In fact, I'm going to give Mr. Das, you record the valves. Next day to Mati Dioxin, that's what the matter is. Item number 24, Mati Dio.
My lord, out of thought and information, item number 27. That may be, my lord, that may be fixed, my lord, it is a death matter by doctor.
Huh?
24 medicine.
No, 27, these will not be taken out.
That may be fixed, my lord.
27, I don't know whether
CD is here, madam.
it is there.
27.
27 CD is available.
CD is here.
Are you on interim or no?
My lord, that is a doctor, my lord. You know,
Help doctor.
How many?
It is earlier rejected, Lordship.
Earlier rejected one. No, otherwise CD is there. Date I cannot say. Next week to it may not be possible. CD be retained then. It to CD to retain koi CD receive CD be retained till next date be list accordingly. বহুত matter will be 31st January body 28, 29 fine here. 2029 বন্ধ নাকি? Oh no. No, 28 বন্ধ নাকি? 39 করে 29.
That may be, Lordship, that may doctor is from my lord.
This case CD was called for, my lord, on several occasions, my lord. I think my friend has got the CD.
23 but 24 days. 24 years?
Well, the CD was called for on several occasions, and I'm told the CD is before it.
CD, you have received the CD?
My submission is that there are sufficient materials, my lord, against the present petitioner, my lord. He has collected huge money from different unemployed youth, my lord. The pretext of giving some job, my lord, in the contractual basis, my lord, in the Assam Secretariat, my lord. And even he has given some appointment letter also, my lord. Fake appointment letter, my lord. Interesting, my lord. He has done also examination also in the hall, my lord, in the Assam Secretariat, my lord. Where examination of the candidate, my lord. Only 2-3 it is taken and said that there is an examination. This is the question paper, and on the basis of that examination, your appointment will be given, my lord. After some days, the appointment letter was also given by.
He conducted the examination also.
It's a everything, my lord, for a fake appointment, my lord. From the statement of the victim, several victims are here, my lord. All of them paid, my lord. In the FIR itself, it reveals that, lordship, how amount he has collected, my lord. And also from him, it was his stamp, some documents, my lord, in FIR itself, my lord. From 9, here 9, from 1,86,000, 1,24,000, 1,20,000. He also admitted, my lord, that he has taken the money on the pretext of giving job, my lord.
Oh,
My lord, what transpires from my friend's submission, my lord, that everything is completed, my lord. Investigation is done. Statements were recorded. My lord, I have limited access now. I cannot go to my office. Your lordship will kindly come to page.
You were doing you were under which rank you were doing?
My lord will kindly come to page 17. I was a stenographer. Immediately after the arrest, next day I was suspended.
Page 17.
Page 17. And everything was seized from my possession from the office, my lord. Now what transpires from my friend's submission is there are materials. Investigation is complete. My lord, whether my further detention is necessary. First. Secondly, my lord, whether I have access to the office. If I do not have access to the office, I cannot tamper. What is the question of tampering, my lord? Everything he has taken. He has taken care of by the IO, my lord. My lord, now 33 days. What more, my lord?
My lord, this is not the matter of tampering the my lord evidence, my lord, but what he has done, my lord. What he has done, my lord. Some youth person.
Otherwise, you are the stenographer only.
Only stenographer, my lord.
My lord, I will face the consequences. It will be decided by the trial court, my lord, in the trial, my lord, not now, my lord. What is the purpose of detaining me for any further? Whether my detention is necessary, your lordship will decide, my lord. Everything is before your lordship. CD says everything is done.
Thereafter, lordship may kindly his statement also, my lord.
I do not deny, my lord. I will face the trial, my lord.
That is different thing, my lord. He faced the trial. That is obviously he will have to face the trial, my lord. But here, my lord, how he has seated that some persons, my lord, unused, my lord, on the belief that they will get some employment, my lord.
My lord, not a huge amount, my lord, PT amount, my lord.
Not, my lord. Lordship may kindly pays from FIR itself, my lord.
It
1,86,000 one person, from another 1,20,000, and minimum 1,20,000, my lord. It
My
is
lord,
not
in
the
total it comes to
minimum,
12
my lord.
lakh 40,000, my lord. PT amount, my lord.
So where he conducted the examination in the one
From the
inside a house.
statement of the victim, my lord. He has taken all the, my lord, prepared, my lord, he has. In the one hall, my lord, one of the victims said that only 2 petitioners are there. Then they doubt about what is going on. And one of the victims said that one question is there, my lord, how many national park in Assam? Such type of questions are there in the for that purpose, for giving job, my lord. That is, everything is clear, man.
Look, these things are not within my knowledge, my lord.
And how many people are behind thing, my lord, that is also necessary for investigation also, my lord.
My lord, one person, my lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 11, there is one person. And he is also before your lordship today by filing anticipatory bail.
47, I think, is the supply list.
We don't have time now. We don't have time. Anyway, by page 11.
Page 11, your lordship will see Hemendas. And he is talking about Hemendas, my lord.
He is also an accused.
He's not a.
He introduced me, my lord, with these people. The allegation is that.
The only thing is that I mean that's introduced me to the prime accused. That is the Yona statement.
Candidates, my lord. He introduced candidates to the, my lord, Mintu, that is present petitioner, my lord. And they are.
Oh, you are on 47. This Sakti.
Yes, my lord.
He is on anticipatory.
Your prayer is for anticipatory.
Anticipatory. No, you're not. It's fixed for bail hearing.
So what about him? In CD, what reveals?
On the statement, Mintu Deka, my lord. The present petitioner, my lord. His statement is clear, my lord. Lord Sima kindly please.
No, this Hemen.
That is regarding himself, my lord. He is the mediator, my lord. He introduced the youth, my lord, unemployed youth, my lord, and introduced the Mintu, and thereafter taken money, my lord, thereafter they have fraud. Even fake appointment letter was also given.
But you know, my
Part of the conspiracy, my lord.
My submission is that I am totally innocent, lordship. He is falsely implicated me. And actually, I am also one of the victims. Although I am not registered any case against the Mintu Deka, but I am also a victim. He has taken money from me also. And I am on a bona fide belief as introduced into the candidates lordship.
This is not a case of my lord, bail my lord at this stage, my lord. Even regular bail and anticipatory bail. I have the strong objection, my lord.
Okay, I'll go through the case.
My lord.
Any other submission from your side? 47? Then
Any
you are
other
innocent?
Condition you're maybe, I am ready to.
No.
pay this back.
Lordship, item number 34, give it date, Lordship. Item number 34,
Will we look after the
Monday.
We'll pass the order, this one. Yes.
Lordship, the next matter is mine, item 25, Lordship.
My matter is 23.
Sorry, I have to leave. Yes, CD2 DD by
36, maybe listed day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow not possible. Same condition will be here because day after tomorrow also have a division bench. This week may be problem.
Lordship, I have
Tell me.
only one small prayer, Lordship. In item number 25, the CD was called for. Perhaps the CD has not come. Lordship, CD may be called for that. Order.
That will
Quality
definitely-
or-
Item 33
It
interim
will be
is there,
taken
interim
taken
review
up
action.
here. Okay.